Okay, so process based means I'm just explaining. This is a general example. I'll explain what is process based, but this is analogy. So you are listening a class, taking a note simultaneously, observing your environment and WhatsApp, and sometimes in between you sleep also. Yes,
Okay.
or it
Yeah.
happens. So these all things, not only this, many things we are doing simultaneously. Yes or no? Yeah, sometimes listening, sometimes song, lecture, reel, sometimes scrolling messages. All this we do. Okay. So now
Mhm.
what I'm saying is, for example, in a window in a system, what are the things we can do simultaneously? Like, can I use a notepad? I'm using this notepad. Yes or no? Again,
Yes.
I'm using what I'm using this Joho uh,
Uh,
Joho application I'm using, correct? And then what else I'm doing? I'm using Eclipse also, right? Eclipse. Sometimes I use Paint also. Yes or no?
yes.
So now, is my Notepad is dependent on the Joho application, right?
No.
And is my Eclipse is dependent on the Paint? No, right?
No.
It means what? When I can able to do all this without each and every process is not dependent on each other. Yeah, this is a separate process. This is a separate process, and this is a separate one. This is a separate one. Yes. So it means what is a process based means? It means we are working. We are doing multitasking based on the process. And process means what? Programs. This is what program. Notepad, that is one program. Another one is Joho application, another program. So what we can say this process based is, this it means what, we are doing the different tasks on different applications. Yeah,
Yeah.
but two tasks are not dependent on each other. That is important point here. Yes. So the meaning is, the process is the we can say like multitasking, right? The different tasks is done on different mode or different platforms without with, depending on each other. All programs are independent. Yeah,
Yes.
independent. Yes. Now this is called what? Process based. Now is it can it happen in the programmatical? No, it will not be happen in the programmatical way. It will happen only in the OS level, operating system level. This happens at
Mhm.
OS level, operating system level, because it is directly connected with the operating system, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. So that's it. This is about that. Now, for example, if I wanted to go with a second one, the note here is like, what is the day? 24, no?
Yes.
Day is 24. We'll save this. Now, now this is done. Now let's talk about thread based. Thread based. Now, what is the meaning of this thread based? Is if I'm writing a if I'm writing a hundred lines of code or thousand lines of code. So this is my code. Total how much it is? Thousand lines of code. Yes. How much
Mhm.
time how much time it will take? Just assume that it is taking 10 hours time. Is 10 hours of a time it is taking. Okay. So whenever I'm writing a code, I'm writing a code of thousand lines. Up to here it is what half. Okay. Up. from here to here, it is same code, but it is doing some other work. So this is another task, and from here it is another task. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
For example, if only one thread is there means it will take after completion of this, then only it will complete this, right?
Yeah.
So it is taking 10 hours. But for example, if we have two threads, how much time it will take? 5 hours, right? Because this total is one program only, but this is another task in the same program. This is another task. Yeah. So if there are two threads, it will take only 5 hours to complete everything because one thread will take simultaneously they will work, right?
Yeah.
If it is three threads, time will be less.
Yes.
So this is called what? Thread based multitasking. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you understood. Now, one more thing. Now, yesterday, have you understood what is single and what is multitasking? Yesterday, I have given you a few examples, right?
Yes.
Now, one example I'm giving here also, like for example, in the paint, now just assume that it is a one of the scene in the movie. Okay. Hmm. So now here in this scene, what we have one person. Who is your favorite actor?
Anybody you can take.
Okay. I don't know much. Okay, Mahesh Babu.
Yeah.
So it is a movie scene, and he's a hero. So he's dancing, and when the Mahesh Babu is dancing, then actress will also dance. Uh, okay. Yeah, when this actress, you can take Alia Bhatt, and then here Katrina Kaif. Okay. So these two actresses are also dancing. So I'm just explaining you the scene about the in the movie. One scene is there. That's it. So now this is about these three actors, and then one person is also here. He's a villain. Seeing their dance, he's also dancing. I don't know villain names in Telugu. Maybe in Hindi, I know. Okay, so this is the villain. He's also dancing. All are dancing. Okay. Now, one more thing is from above, plane is going. What is going? Aeroplane. Yes, Bharat.
Okay.
Yes, that is one of the scene. And here, these all are what birds. They are not looking like a birds. You can,
Yeah.
yeah. What's wrong in the imagination, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So these all are birds, and this is aeroplane, and this is a scene. Now, in this, one thing is missing. Now I need to create a rain. How to create rain? Now rain is falling. This a dropper will help me out.
Yeah. It will.
Not helping. Okay.
No, no, not that. You can scroll in those.
Let me take a small drops. Okay. This is
Yeah.
thing. Why it is not working? Circle. Hmm. Oh, something happened. Okay, let me check this. Close. Save. Don't save. I don't know what went wrong, but let me open again. Paint. Hmm. Everything came back, and then. Huh. Okay, fine. It's working. So now I will take a raindrops. This is one drop. This is second drop. Rain is falling right from here.
Yeah.
It is falling directly on the villain's head, so it is bigger. Mm. So what are these?
Rain.
Yeah, this is raindrops. Okay. Some raindrops are exactly big as human being only. Fine. So what are the scene in this? The scene is very clear. What is scene? Here we have aeroplane. Aeroplane is going, and then okay, you tell me the scene once, so that it will be better to understand. Huh?
Yeah.
What is the scene?
Yeah, there is aeroplane and it's raining. A group of birds are flying, and
Yes.
there's a villain and a hero with the two heroines.
These all are dancing, right?
Yes.
Fine. Fine. Now, these all are going good. But if I'm just describing this multitasking or single tasking, now how it will look? For example, if it is only a single tasking, yes, just assume. So now what happens is this guy, his name is what? He's a Mahesh Babu, right? So
Yeah.
this Mahesh Babu will do his steps first. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So Mahesh Babu is taking a 5 minutes of a time to complete his dance. Now, whenever he's dancing, everyone else is stopped because we are discussing about the single tasking, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So single tasking means Mahesh Babu only dancing. Everyone is all watching. Everyone is like a statue. Even birds have stopped. Aeroplane is stopped, and this villain is also stopped. Raindrops are also stopped. Yeah. So Mahesh Babu, after Mahesh Babu dance, this Alia Bhatt will start dancing. So Mahesh Babu have taken how many minutes? 5 minutes. Now
Yes.
Alia Bhatt will also start dancing. Now everyone will be what? Silent. Everyone is stopped. Whatever they are doing, they stopped like a statue. Now Alia Bhatt will also dance for 3 minutes. She's dancing like this. Now once
Mm-hmm.
Alia Bhatt is done, so total how much time it took?
8 minutes.
Minutes. Yeah. Now after that, Katrina also. Katrina will also dance. She also said that she wanted to dance. Now once she is dancing, she completed her dance only in 2 minutes, and everyone else is stopped and seeing. Done. So this is 2 minutes. So 8 plus
And
2, 10 minutes. 10 minutes are done. Now will the villain will be keep quiet? No. This villain is saying I will also dance. Now this villain took another 3 minutes. Yes. When he's dancing, everyone else is what stopped. Yeah. So now total how many minutes are done?
you say villain how many? Two.
3 minutes.
13 minutes.
13 minutes are done. Now this is done. Now what happens is this aeroplane. Now what happens in the next scene? Like aeroplane have to go right pass from here. So now how much time it will take aeroplane? It will take few seconds, like 30 seconds. It go on like this. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone else is stopped and they are watching. So aeroplane went. That took 30 seconds. Fine. And after that, now it's a chance of birds. Now this bird will start. Now this bird will fly from here. It will fly from here, and this bird is taking 10 minutes. Okay. So each bird is taking 10 minutes, and total how many birds? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 birds. So 10 into 10,
100.
100. So how many minutes it will be? Those must, that much time it is. 100, right? Means 60 and plus 40. 1 hour, 40 minutes. This
Okay.
for them only 1 hour 40 minutes, and okay, this is done. Now what happens is every bird has went. Now each and every rain will fall. First, this drop will fall. Yes, this drop will fall like this. Now this for falling this drop, it will take like 2 minutes. So there are so many raindrops, right? So what do you think? If we are playing like this, one person by one person, after that another, this is like one thread by another thread. How much time it will take to display this total movie? It will take 365 days, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then what the audience will do? The audience will just boycott this kind of movies. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. How you feel like if it is happening, if it is in a real life?
No, like it should be happen like parallelly.
That's what. So this single tasking will take a lot of time consumption. That is the reason we do have a multitasking that comes into a picture. Understood now? This analogy diagram, and that too, like it is called as like 70 screen, right?
Yeah.
So you know what is the meaning of that 70 like full form of mm?
No,
Any
I
idea?
don't know, but they call 35 and 70.
Yeah, that's what. And also, do you know this one like chicken 365? Sorry, 65. Chicken
Yeah.
65. Why we call this 65?
I don't know, but they just, I don't.
Even I had this question why they call 65. I need to research. Huh, fine. So let's move into this in Java application. Threads are having following states as a part of its life cycle. Life cycle. What is the first one? New or born state. Second one is ready or runnable state. And third one is running state. Fourth one is blocked state. Fifth one is dead state, or we can say that destroyed. Yeah, got it. So what are these total five states? Can you name once?
Yeah, newborn state, ready or runnable state.
Hmm.
Running state, locked state, dead on destroyed state.
Correct. Now let's see with an example. Okay. Now here, yes. Now this is a newborn state. Just now it got born. So I'll just write here new, or we can say born. I don't know how to do this default big size. Always I need to do the sizes. Let me reduce the size 36. So what it is? New or born state. Yeah. Now when it is getting created, any idea?
Like when you asking when?
Yeah, when it is getting created, when we
Like when
create
it
a
is
thread object, when we create a thread object, at that time it gets created.
yeah.
So here I'm just taking 28. then we create thread object. So newborn, or when it is getting created, when a object is created, right? Thread object. Yesterday we have seen. Now after this, what is stage we have? Second one is what? Second one is run, ready state,
Runnable.
runnable, ready or runnable. So this is ready or runnable. Okay, 36 ready or runnable. Now what is happening in this ready and runnable? That okay. So now here, when it is happening here is the moment when we do start. Okay, start method. When we call the start method, at that time, it will be in the state of what? Ready or runnable.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now here, one thing you have to observe is like after accessing. I'm just writing here after accessing start. Yeah. Hmm. After accessing start method and before before getting resources, before getting resources resources means what? We will be getting like this thread will get two resources. First one is execution time, and second one is memory. Yeah. So
Yes.
when it is ready or runnable, it means after accessing, start is done, and before getting the resources, now it did not got the execution time. So the system means the operating system will allot some execution time and memory, right? So
Yeah.
that is the stage called ready and runnable. Got it? Now next one is what?
Then the runnable.
Ready and runnable is done. This is running state.
Okay.
That sound. This is which state it is? Running. Now what happens in this running state? Let me move it somewhat bigger. So in this running state, what is happening? Can you guess?
Like it's processing.
In this, what happens is it will get the time. Now earlier it is not. It has not got that memory, memory and execution time. Now it will get after
Mm-hmm.
accessing start. After accessing start and get after getting resource resources. Okay, what are the resources? Memory and ET, execution time. Got it? So this is a newborn, this is a ready, runnable, and this is running. Now, next next one is what? Next one is blocked state.
Yeah.
Here I have. Blocked. Blocked, or we can say that it is, we can also say sleep, we can say waiting. So we can say that sleep, blocked, sleep, waiting, suspended, all those things we can call it. Okay. So now from running, it will go to waiting from this here. This one. Now, in this what it is having what sleep time. Sleep, we have from running, it will go to the block when we are using the method called sleep. Now, this is what in which state it will go: sleep, suspended, wait, and IO operations. Okay. So here I'm just giving the list here itself. It goes in sleep, sleep method. In the sleep, we give some time also. Yeah. Now after this, what we have: suspend. Then we have wait, waiting period, and then IO operations. So in these things, it will be going where? In blocked state. Got it? Now
Mm-hmm.
from blocked state, it will come to again runnable or a ready state. Yes. Now in this, what we have is we have another methods like how we have to call from block to this. So those are some of the methods are, I'm just giving here. For sleep, if it is sleep, if it is in a sleep, so we have something to counter that sleep. So that we have sleep, and then we have resume. Resume is for suspended, and then we have notify. If it is wait, means notify, and then also we have over the IO operations. IO operations. From here we can get all this. Yeah. Now, if I wanted to, if the trade wanted to go from running to the runnable reverse direction here, so it can do the same. But what is the function here? What is the method? It is yield method. But the problem with the yield is it is not working in the Windows operating system, and
Mm-hmm.
it works with other operating system, but with the Windows operating system, it is not at all suitable. It doesn't match us. That is one of the problem with this. So it is going in this stage here. It is going then after this, after running, it goes to where? What is another last stage?
Destroy.
Yes, correct. So we can, it will be destroyed, or we can say it is dead. dead, dead, or we can say destroyed. So what are the stages we have totally? How many?
5.
Five we have. First one is newborn, and when this newborn state, like a new thread will get created when the thread object is created, right?
Mm-hmm.
And from here, whenever we are calling a start, then what happens is it is getting ready. It
Yeah.
has, it is getting ready, but it has not got its execution time and also memory resources. It has not got from the operating system.
Yeah.
After once again, when we are giving after the start, what happens is it gets here running. In the running means what happens after the start and after getting the resources. Now from running it will go to the directly to the runnable with the help of yield method, and from running it can go to the block state. These are the block, we can go with this sleep, suspended, wait, IO operations. To overcome that, again if you wanted to go with a runnable or a ready, then we have oversleep, resume, notify, all this. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And from running we can directly go to the thread, can go directly to the dead. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can, we can save this. This diagram is for what? Life cycle of a
Thread.
life cycle of thread. This where I can save it. Desktop. My my current projects. Bharat in this. Yeah. Fine. Now let's get back to this. We can't paste it here, right? If we can paste it, would be good actually.
Yeah.
So this is about life cycle. Now I hope you understood, right? So that's it. Now we do have some constructors in this. Let's see what are the constructors. Okay, before constructors, I just let's discuss some points here. In the newborn state, what happens in this? We create, right? When we create a, yes, when we create, what we create? Object for thread class. Yeah,
Yeah.
automatically, automatically thread will come
Create.
come to what? Come to new or born state. Understood?
Yeah.
This is about newborn state. Let's see what is about ready or runnable. This will write in this line. Now in Java applications, like after creating a thread, creating thread, if we want to execute thread required what is the thread required? Thread required memory and execution time, right? To get all these resources, to get all these resources, we have to access, what we have to access? Start method, which is directly linked with the OS. Yeah. So what happens is after the start method and before allocating the system, after start and before allocation of resources, at this time this state is called as what? Ready or runnable. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now let's see what is running state. Running state. after accessing start method and after getting
Memory.
system resources. You know system resources, what are those?
Yeah.
Resources. This this state is called running state. Yes. Yeah, this is done. Now we have two more. To keep, yeah, to keep running thread into block the state. We have few things like A is access sleep method with a particular sleep time. Yeah. Now second one is access suspend method. Suspend method. Yes, method over running thread. And then we have C access wait method. So these two are like over the running thread. Now we have D. In the D, what I have written in the paint is when we perform IO operation. Yeah. So this is what these things. Now coming to the dead state. When it is called as dead state,
Like it came to an end. Like
we can access this stop method over the running thread. Then that thread come to end, come to dead state. So to create it is a start, to end it is a stop. Got it? Yeah.
yes,
Yeah. So now let's see about now what I said. What we are going to see, uh, constructors. Even constructors are there in this also. So the first constructor is public thread. Public thread. What happens? It is, it can be, it can be used to create thread class object with a values. It will create some values for a thread for thread like thread name, thread priority, thread priority, and thread group. Thread group. Understanding?
yeah.
Priority. What is the mistake here? Okay. Priority and
The after comma. Yeah.
hmm. So now what this gives? This gives some information. So this public thread is what it is used for creating a thread of a object of the class, and then it is giving some information values like thread name, thread priority, and the thread group. Got it? Now let's see here what are the default values. Default values. Let's see what are the default values and we'll check whether it is same or not. First one is thread name. So thread name will be like thread 0. Second one is thread priority. Thread priority is 5 by default. Third one is
Mm.
thread group name. Group name. This is what main. Yeah. Now let's execute this. This is yesterday's close on. Not responding. Do you have any tip or trick to make the system fast? It's becoming slow day by day.
Maybe your like memory.
Yeah, you mean to say a lot of storage, yeah?
Yeah.
OnePlus, yeah, I need to remove this. Yeah, it's gone. See this Eclipse is getting slow. One right. Whereas, so what I'm going to do is, let's see. First one, class. The class name I will give here is thread constructor. Thread constructor. Thread. Like it is one constructor one. Now, now what I have to do? I need to take a main method. Main. I got. Now I need to create a thread class. So how to create? Not thread class, thread object. Thread t is equal to what? New.
New thread.
Correct. So this is a constructor. Now in this CISO, yes. Now if I wanted to give this reference variable, this t, now let's see what is the output I'm getting. So run as Java application. Am I getting the same thing? Thread 0 is what? Name. 5 is what? Priority value. This is group name. Yeah. Yes, Bharat, you can see it.
Yeah, I can.
Yes. So this one I will paste it here. Yeah. Understood, right? How we have done? Simple it is. Just a object and then object reference. Yeah.
Yes.
Now next one is next constructor. Second constructor. Public thread. And here we are writing what? String name. String name. So what is the meaning of this? So what is meaning of this? It can be used to create with a
Mm.
specified name. Means like in the earlier one we can't change anything, but here it can be used to create thread class object with a specified name. Okay. So now we can give one name also for this. So it means what I'm saying is the thread is getting name here. Yeah. So how we can do that? Let's see. In this only I'm just giving, this is, I'm just creating another one, and here I'm just giving, here is capital T, and here I'm just giving what, Bharat, and then see, so here it is T. Now let's see what is the output here. Did this thread 0 got changed to Bharat?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how it got changed? Because of this constructor. This is a constructor thread with a string.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yeah.
Hmm. Now let's go with the third one. Okay, I need to paste it right. Now next one is public thread runnable R. So this is one of the constructor. It can use to create thread class object with a provided runnable reference. Now what happens is, yeah, 1 second, ये पूरा मेरा है, बस ये तो मेरा टोटल चाहिए अभी, टोटल करना मुझे, मेरा 2 लैपटॉप है ना, 2 लैपटॉप है ना तुम्हारे पास, कंपनी का नहीं है, पर्सनल लैपटॉप है उनका, जी मेल वगैरह। और मेरा मुंडी का है उधर ही। हम्म। अच्छा, एक बस मेरा है। Okay, so now runnable reference. Yeah. So now in this, so in this what happens is no changes, no changes, changes for the default values. Yes. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So default values what are there, it will be remaining same only. Now let's see how we can go with this here itself. Now what happened is in this, I'm just giving what runnable. Runnable is already, you know, that is, it is a, what it is, interface. Runnable R is equal to new new thread. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, new thread it is. Now we can do in this way also, I'm just saying. So for example, if I'm writing here R, now what happens? Let's see. Same thing, right? Thread 1, 5. So it is what? Different. 3 threads got created. Now in this 3 threads are there. Thread 0, thread Bharat, and then thread 1. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Like this also I can create. Now, now after this, we also have something called methods. So let's see what are the methods. Methods, these are usually public void set name, and if we can pass in a string, so it will be like name. What it does, it can be used to provide a particular name to the
Mm-hmm.
We can give any name to this thread. This is first one. Second one is public string get name. To understand what is the name of this, so it can be used to get the present name of the thread. Okay, now let's see here. For example, I just wanted to know what is the name of this t dot. See here, I'm getting get a name. Here I'm getting get name. The moment I click the get name, it will show only this name, thread 0. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this is what get name. Now, for example, if I wanted to do the set, I wanted to do the setting, set the name. So what I can do here, dot t dot set. Set name here is a set name, and then here I can write any name. For example, I'm just writing Vivek Pandey. Okay. Now after this, again I'm just giving what get name. I have to check right whether the name I got or not.
Yeah.
So here it is right. So name has got changed. Now
Mm-hmm.
earlier it was showing 0, my thread 0, and then now it is showing Vivek Pandey. So like this we can do what? In this way we can do. And another method is what? Array, I have to copy this right. Okay. Now we also have something like public void set priority. Priority. Like initially we have seen that 5 is a priority, but we can also set that int priority value. Priority. Yes. Now what it does, it can be used to set a particular priority value to the thread. Hmm. Now let's see few things here. Regarding this priority, we have few more concept here, like we can say that in Java, to represent
Mm-hmm.
priority value values, java dot lang dot thread class has provided following constants. Following constants. What are those constants here? Public, static, final, int, and then min, and then priority. Priority equal to 1. Min priority is what? 1. So like this, we have two more. Min priority, this is normal priority is 5, and then max priority is 10. So these are the priorities. Got it? Now,
Mm-hmm.
the fourth method is public int get. Now what happened, this what it gives, It gives what is the value of current priority, current thread. So it can be used to get the current priority value of the thread. Yeah. Yes. Now let's see one example of this here. Now same way here, here itself. I'm just taking here CISO, or else I will take here CISO. Last one, R is there, right? Here, T is there, right? T dot get priority. Get priority is there here. Now let's see what is the priority of it. It is giving me what, 5. So 5, only individual 5 means it is a priority only, right? Hello Bharat, are you there?
Yeah.
Hmm. So we got what? Get priority we got. Now I wanted to change the priority. Can we change the priority? So to change the priority, what we have? Set the priority, right? So T
Mm-hmm.
T dot set priority, new priority. So I just wanted to set it as 10, and I wanted to check whether the priority has been changed or not. Let's see. See, priority has been changed. Yes. So it means priority has been changed. So this is about what? Priorities. Now you can also do this max priority, min priority. You can also try that also. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so like set priority, max priority, all these things. So I think we have to conclude the session now. So well, what we learned in today's class, Bharat?
They threading constructors and the
Hmm.
life cycle of thread.
Yeah, constructors and also some methods, right?
Yeah.
Stopping the record.